Some models come equipped with a graphics card, which sits in the PCI Express x16 slot below the PCI expansion slots. To remove a graphics card from the PC, first remove the access panel and the graphics card retaining bracket if present in the unit. Next, remove the expansion slot lock on the left side of the expansion cards. To do so, detach the screw securing the lock to the rear of the PC. Pull the slot lock off of the PC. On most motherboards, the PCI Express x16 slot features a latch that holds the card securely in its socket. Push on the latch to release its grip on the card. Remove the card from the PC. To replace a graphics card, hook the edge of the card into its motherboard slot and carefully push it until it's secure. The expansion slot lock has two hooks that fit over two slots on the PC. Align the hooks onto the slots to replace the slot lock. Reattach the screw for the expansion slot lock.